Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the official Telegram app on your Galaxy Watch, including the new Galaxy Watch 8 Watch 8 Classic. Telegram is finally back on Wear OS smartwatches after almost 5 years, and this is great news for Galaxy Watch users. If you use a Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic or any other Wear OS smartwatch, you can now access Telegram directly from your wrist without depending on your phone all the time. Telegram previously had support for Wear OS, but the company removed the app several years ago. Since then, users had to rely on notifications only. Now, Telegram has officially returned with a dedicated Wear OS app. The new app allows users to send and receive messages directly on their smartwatch. You can check chats, read messages, reply to conversations, and stay connected even when your phone is not in your hand. There are also several other useful features available. Your contacts, groups, channels, and chat history can be synced to the watch after signing in. This gives users a much better Telegram experience compared to basic notification support. Now let's see how you can install Telegram on your Galaxy Watch. At the moment, users need to join the Telegram beta program first. After joining the beta program, they can download the Telegram app on their smartwatch. Once the beta access is available, simply tap the download button and install the application. There is another method as well. Open the Google Play Store directly on your Galaxy Watch. Search for Telegram and install the app from there. The process is very simple and takes only a few minutes. After the installation is complete, open the Telegram app on your watch. The next step is account verification. When you launch the app for the first time, a QR code will appear on the watch display. You need to scan this QR code using the Telegram app on your smartphone. To do that, open Telegram on your phone. After that, tap on the settings option, then tap on devices. After that, select the Add Device option to link a new device and scan the QR code shown on your Galaxy Watch. Once the verification process is completed successfully, your Telegram account will be logged in on the smartwatch. The app will then start syncing your data. Your contacts, personal chats, groups, channels, and other Telegram information will automatically appear on the watch. This means you can quickly check messages during meetings, workouts, travel, or any situation where taking out your phone is not convenient. Further, to send a message or reply to it, you can use a Samsung or Google keyboard, voice inputs, gestures, emojis, and stickers. The return of Telegram also makes Wear OS smartwatches more capable. Users no longer need to rely only on message notifications. Instead, they can interact with Telegram directly from their wrist. If you frequently use Telegram groups or channels, the app can help you stay updated without constantly checking your smartphone. The overall setup process is straightforward. Install the app, scan the QR code, sign in, and everything will sync automatically. If you own a Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, or another Wear OS device, you can now try the app and enjoy a complete Telegram experience directly on your watch. What do you think about Telegram returning to Wear OS after such a long time? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Galaxy Watch tips, updates, and smartwatch news. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.